Alexa, play Corporation by Jack White.
Here's Corporation, live, by Jack White, on Amazon Music.
Who's with me? Who's with me? Who's with me? Who's with me? Who's with me?
So let's see what we've got inside the box. First thing we have is a quick start guide. There's the website, marshallheadphones.com. Here's the legal and safety information. There's a 2-prong power cord. And here it is. Super cool retro look. Got the Marshall logo in plastic on the front. Got the woven cloth front here. Got some LED indicators here. The top and sides has a leathery look and feel. Auxiliary input. Here we've got the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, auxiliary, and RCA lights. Source button. Volume knob. There's the bass knob, treble knob, play and pause button, and the microphone button. Up here we have a copper looking metal plate. And around back, you've got your RCA inputs, and you've got the power input. It's a nice heavy product. Really cool retro look to it.
Let's say congratulations! Who wants to start a corporation? I'm taking it all the way to the top. Who's with me? Yeah, I'm thinking about doing one big giant jump. Who's with me?